Hey guys, how are you all? In this video we'll talk about the Nokia's X71, which is Nokia's upcoming phone in 2019, and this is Nokia's first phone to come with an punch hole display and triple rear camera. This phone is coming with a huge 6.4 inch of notchless display, which is an IPS LCD display with Full HD plus resolution. This phone is powered by an old Snapdragon 660 processor, which is an average mid-range processor with average performance, and this processor is coupled with an 6GB of RAM. Talking about its internal storage, it has got two variants, 128GB and 256GB. So camera is a main attraction in this phone. This phone is been given with a triple rear camera of 48MP primary lens plus 8MP of wide angle lens plus 5MP of depth sensor. Front camera is of 16MP to take the good portrait selfies. So the camera combination is been given as excellent to compete with other phones. So as we can see, Vivo V15 Pro or Oppo F11 Pro, all the phones are coming with the 48MP of primary camera lens. So Nokia has decided to keep the camera with a good configuration. This phone is coming with the 3500 mAh of battery, so fast charging details are missing here. So once we receive those details, we'll update you. So that there is no in-display fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is mounted at rear. So for the price point it is coming with, we had expected an in-display fingerprint scanner. So Nokia and HMD has to try it harder to give some attractive and unique features at this price point. So the expected release of this phone is April 2019 or the end of April 2019, and the price is $380 in the international market, and in India it will cost you around 24 to 26,000. So what you feel about Nokia X71, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for such kind of videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.